Scientific. Barbara's career as family business in Harwich started 20 years ago, when current MD Jason was still at school. Along with her ability to deal with some of the most challenging aspects of the business, including the HR, some of Barbara's ideas have also been instrumental in directing the future strategy for the business. To tell us why it was so important to celebrate and recognise Barbara's 20 years service at Bedfont, please welcome to the stage Managing Director Jason Smith.
Marley has said pretty much everything I was going to say just then. So, as Marley said, I've been at Bedfont since 2007, so actually I've only had the pleasure of working with Barbara for half of her tenure. My father, before me, went through everyone in the business when I took over, all the managers, all the departments, and missed Barbara out completely. And I said, what about Barbara? I said, don't worry about Barbara. She's got it all under control. She really does. She makes my life really easy at work. She's officially the accounts manager, but the way that she attracts people to be able to talk to her, go through problems with her, she really does with her HR as well. And I think something that I've noticed about all the winners from tonight is that just the sheer amount of humility for everyone. And I think a lot of the time when you have people in the business who are humble, who get on with what they do, if I ever try and praise Barbara for something she's done really well, she just says, just do my job. And I think this is what makes this award special, really, because it allows us to put those people forward who maybe aren't as loud or vocal as everyone else, who don't get the praise that they really need. And it was really underlined when I announced that Barbara had won this award in front of everyone at the office. We had a Bedfont bake-off social event, and as I was teeing up the award that we'd have nominated someone, I could see Barbara looking around the room, kind of smiling at people, thinking who she thought was going to win the award. And when she heard her name, nearly fell off of her chair. And so it really speaks for how humble she is, what she does for the business, and then she came up to me quietly afterwards and said, I'm going to be on holiday when the event comes on. So I'm going to have a photo of myself, but I believe we do actually have a video as well from Barbara. Congratulations, Barbara, in Cyprus.
With you all tonight to celebrate this very special and unique event. Winning this award is very special to me. Everyone likes to feel appreciated, and I'm humbled to hear the lovely things that my colleagues have said about me in the application, and would like to thank them for nominating me. I feel extremely privileged to work for a company such as Bedfont Scientific. I'm so very lucky to have a supportive family both at home and at work, and to be doing a job I love for the last 20 years. Life does not get better than this. I would like to thank the Family Business Place for introducing these awards, and Thackeray Williams for sponsoring them. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the evening. I will be thinking of you and raising a glass in celebration of this wonderful occasion. Thank you.